Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Friend is Dad, I'm your friend, and today I'm going to show you how to go get a Tesla rental from Hertz through Uber. Okay, so when you go to your app, right? Let's see. Okay. When you do it, go to your app, go here, go to your driver, go to your account, and then go to your vehicle, and you can view rental option here, which is Tesla, which is $334 a month, a week, you mean, and you can get started from there, and you can look for reservation, right? So I already have a reservation, and then they send you a voucher where you can get a Uber to Hertz to get your car. And you get the Uber voucher, right? And then you can get a Uber to rent a car. You see, all the cost is zero. So you want to choose something that comfortable, which is Uber Comfort or Comfort Electric, but Comfort should be good. You just go from there. I got a ride, and then we're just gonna see you at the dealership. I mean that the Hertz rental, right? So while waiting for your Uber, you wanna get something that ready for your Tesla, which is your compressor for tire. This is the thing to lift up your Tesla. And you want to get some kind of battery for your compressor, and this can start your car. If you have a car that need to be like jump start, and this is very important right here, which is a tire fixing kit. It's very important. I use this like 3 times already, like to fix your tire when it's in case of a tire flat. And it's much cheaper than calling a tow. And just get ready to pick up your car, and this is all the accessory for the Tesla, which is mirror and all the side, all the cable, and then I'm going to show you more in detail later on. So I just got dropped off at the Hertz rental. Now we just have to walk to the place, and they have all the kind of car, blue, all blue and gray. Oh yeah, this was my Uber, and this one is for regular Hertz. And on the right is for Uber rental. So I'll see you there. So after I was in there for like almost 2 hours, and I finally got my car. So make sure you check around, see if any scratches or debris. They say they washed it, but it looked like still wet. And I got the dual motor, just want to try it out. See how it's dry compared to the other one, because I already have an order for the regular one, and it's all-wheel drive, so see if it's good. Totally brand new, they told me. Brand new car, smell like new car. And let's see how many miles on it. 33 miles. Wow, brand new Model 3 long range. So I'm gonna show you guys what I put in for all the carpet and stuff. So thank you. So I got the car on, right? So make sure you put it in a setting where it's good for you, like auto high beam, auto wiper, you know, do all your mirror, left mirror, right mirror, which is pretty good. Do all your pedal, which is the whole one, is pretty good because you don't need to use your brake much, and just comfort standard for the other rest. And then charging, they have a basic autopilot, and you get one key, which is just this one, and do all your light trip, and then you just drive from there. So pretty good, pretty excited. So I'm finally back home with the car, and it's look pretty good, brand new. You know, 40 miles per hour. I mean, a 40-mile beginning. Look pretty good. Come with charging and everything. And it's still new. And it's come with carpet. Nice leather seat. You know, a lot of sticky thing from, you know, from Uber. I mean, from Hertz. Yeah, it's basically a brand new car. The sound is amazing. So, and here are the stuff I'm gonna put in it. A blanket, just in case you know, you have to lay down on the floor, or the car mat. And this is all the more detail. So you got stickers, charging cable, the mount for the phone, charging hub, charging thing for your phone, and all the cable. So I'm gonna put all this in the car, and I'll show you at the end. Thanks. So I finished, got done with this. So I installed my phone charging, so you don't have to, you know, take in out the cable. All my decoration, smell good stuff, in the car freshener, or the sticker, and I got this hub right here, which is for charging cable. So all the cable will go to the right, so it doesn't, you know, stay in the way when driving. And I got all the mat for people, and I got the charging cable for people, for customer. So yeah, everything should be good to go for now. And I got the big mirrors too, because the Tesla mirror was too tiny. And everything get ready to go. My other phone. So this is a pretty good car. It has the light and everything. So hope you enjoy it, and I'll update you the detail later on. Thank you. Have a great time.